Well, here we have the 2019 Puma destination trailer. This is the model 38DEN, new model for this year. So conventional awning, outdoor speakers, and patio doors, large grab handle by the patio doors, and then you have another door into the bedroom. This floor plan is beautiful. It has the family room, living room, den, whatever you want to call this, up front, which is really cozy, comfortable, lots of seating, two trifold sofas opposite each other, so lots of sleeping space, fireplace, television, ceiling fan, and two recliners right opposite the TV. So here we have the interior, which is the front living room or den, which has lots of seating, a very cozy social kind of setting. A trifold sofa here, very comfortable, makes into a queen size bed. Another large sofa over on this side, and then to my left, two recliners. So those sit right opposite the television. So we have a fireplace and a nice large television. All of these things are included in the price. Ceiling fan. And then as we swing around is the kitchen area. A very large pantry and a residential fridge. Of course, it's nice and large as a residential fridge. Microwave, some counter space here, full residential stove, large oven, 4-burner stove, and then more counter space over here, as well as the sink and the pull-down faucet. See the kind of cool under cabinet blue lighting. And then here we have a nice eating area, which has got the flexibility of the stools on this side and a fixed cushion on the back side. This table is also close enough to the kitchen area to be used as a working surface. Again, the patio doors that you saw from the outside, and through the hallway to my left is the bathroom. Very large shower, storage area, medicine cabinet, sink, vanity, etc. And the bedroom has a king-size bed with a bedroom slide, another ceiling fan, and obviously lots of floor space and lots of cupboard space. And here we have a closet and or washer-dryer configuration. The washer-dryer is totally optional, so that can be included or not as to your preference. Well, this is Roger from Gimme Shelter. We invite you to come and see us on the lot and inspect this in person, and we'll give you the grand tour. Thanks for watching this video. Here we have the 2019 Shamrock 233S. This is the 3-bunk version with the dinette slide. Power awning, outdoor speakers, barbecue rail, the ability to bring your television outside if you wish to do that. Aluminum wheels with the Torflex suspension system. This is a very spacious configuration. We have 3 60 by 80 queen size beds with heated mattresses, a large dinette that'll sit 4, if possible, or not possibly 6 people, nice solid table, and here a sofa that jackknifes to make an additional bed if needed. The kitchen area has a beautiful stove, oven, 3-burner stove, microwave, dual sinks, and a pantry. Pantry is also always a very desirable feature. The bathroom offers an enclosed shower, medicine cabinet, vanity, sink and vanity, and again a large storage cabinet. This cabinet really is spacious, so that's excellent. All these bathrooms have skylights and fantastic fans. That's a kind of standard feature. And again, 3 beds, 3 queen size 60 by 80 beds in this model. So again, this is Roger from Gimme Shelter, and I invite you to come and see this trailer in person on our lot, and we'll give you the tour. We thank you for watching this video.